Hey guys, this kind of works good. Check this shit out, people. The Ridgid box. I bought one of these, the Ridgid crate, you know, that goes on the top. It's actually really useful. Like, really useful. Because you can throw like your CO2 on the top, or a couple of my rugs, or whatever parts. Your tools are on the bottom. And the crate, you can throw the parts, like say a motor or something you're changing out or whatever. So yeah, pretty cool. But so I'd show you this. Look how much soda it can carry too. Things like, it'd be like 8, you could do eight packs of soda in that thing. 4 of them fits in there. It's amazing. So thought you guys would be, I can't believe it. Four 12 packs fits across there. Oh. Okay. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Click like on the video if you could. Alright. Take care. Bye. Hey, check this out. My cart thing. I love this basket thing I bought for the top of it. I'm using the shit out of it. Anyways, look at the blower motor thing, man. It fits right in this thing, man. Check this thing in or not. Let me see if I can show this to you. Look, the sucker fits. exactly perfect. Fits in the basket. Exactly perfect. Yeah, this basket thing is freaking cool. I can put my blankets and stuff in there, and my bags, or when you're cleaning up, you can just throw all your crap. You can throw all your crap in the basket and then just boogie out, and then organize it, you know, when you go back to your truck. But you can just use it as dumping a bunch of stuff into the basket. So it's very cool. Highly recommended. Hey world. So this is the Ridgid. See if I can get this. There we go. The Ridgid bottom box on wheels. So what this video is about is what you can also use it for in the rain if you want to go grocery shopping. So it's a pretty good amount of stuff to protect your groceries from getting wet from the grocery store to your house. So thought that you would like to maybe see this, because once these cardboard boxes get wet, it kind of sucks if you want to use them, you know, have them all stay together. So so I got I wanted, you know, these soda containers. I got a 7-Up down there, I got a Coca-Cola, and I got an orange, and I got a Red Bull, and I got cans of soup and an aluminum foil and a couple yams and paper plates and paper towel. Well, they hold a pretty good amount of stuff when they feels like it's about 80 pounds worth of stuff. So so pretty cool. Just thought I'd mention that. How to keep your groceries dry. Alright, thanks for watching. Click like on the video. Subscribe. Thanks, bye. Okay, this is the Husky bag. Husky backpack from Home Depot for 30 bucks. Still working out pretty good. This is how I fit it. This is how you fit it in one of these Ridgid boxes. You put it in, you don't put it in front ways like this. It doesn't seem to, it's not the right way for it to fit good. What you do is you put it in so the front of it is facing the back, and then you just take this part and push it down, and the lid seems to go on. It just seems to fit better. It's a lot easier. And then you can put it in this box and roll wherever you want to with it. roll over to a ladder or whatever. If you got a long walk somewhere, so roll it over to a ladder and then wear it, or whatever you want to do. Okay, click like on the video, subscribe. Thanks, bye. Hey guys, check out this Milwaukee Packout, the Black Widow version. Pretty cool. I believe they must be selling these in Europe. I wish they'd sell them over here. I think I like it better black than the all red version, which is on sale right now at Home Depot. The $1.99 Christmas special. Home Depot special right now around Thanksgiving. So then there's some other specials there. I got Ace Hardware. Looks like they got some specials going on the Packout too. There's specials on the Packout stuff if you look around. So I just thought I'd bring this up to you guys if you guys are into the Packout system. All right, click like on the video, subscribe. Thanks, bye.